Okay, guys, so now this is an example with the break. So how do we know we're on the break? So how to read this? Actually, this big code is the same thing as in the previous video. What is new is exactly these two lines. Okay, line 13 and 14. So what happens? This is a random choice that I did. Actually, numerical methods work like this, but um, yeah, this is like how a numerical method is going to look like in a while. So I'm saying if this variable that I have over here, and I started in 0, if I is bigger than 2, I'm going to break it. Okay, so by breaking meaning I'm gonna stop this process, right? So I'm gonna do that. So it's gonna execute all of this until I is bigger than 2. When I is bigger than 2, it's just gonna get out of here and print this. Okay, so if we just read it like normally, we can notice that well, it just increments I, it increments it increments the add variable, it prints them. If this is not true, it does nothing, but then it prints this. Okay, so the moment that this doesn't run, we're gonna see just like out of the loop. Okay, let me run this just to check that I'm not lying. And let's see. Oh, out of the loop. Oh, my bad. I'm missing a. There you go. Nice. Sorry, it happens. Uh, oh, colon. My bad. There you go. Quotation marks. There you go. Okay, so what happens is as follows. Let me just annotate one more time. So what happens? The first iteration, it happens. It goes okay. The second iteration, it runs perfectly. Third iteration, it runs perfectly, but then it falls into the if, okay? Because it checks it. It does not print the after the if statement, which is this one, and it appeared in the two previous statements, and then it just prints out of the loop, okay? So it's how it works. So break just stops everything. Let me write here, stop, and an angry face. Okay, that's what you need to remember, guys.